Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apsarah from Zero Effort Beauty. Today I'm going to be doing another massive haul. I got a whole bunch of items from a whole bunch of companies, and this one's gonna be a pretty large haul for you guys. So we're gonna start off with the L'Oreal bag, and I was able to meet up with their team, and we got some gold wrapping paper. First of all, we got some coloristas. These are the semi-permanent color, and this one is the aqua color. This one's a bluish color. And then we also have the colorista red number 30. And these are so pretty. I think this one's meant for brunettes, and this one's meant for like a blonde hair. And this one lasts about 4 to 8 shampoos, and the kit kind of tells you directions on how to apply it, but they're semi-permanent, so they will only last 4 to 8 shampoos. Then we have the L'Oreal. This one is the Hydra Genius. This is a 72-hour hydration moisturizer for normal to dry skin, and I love the packaging of this. It's so luxurious, and they give you a pretty nice size jar. So pretty. I can imagine this on my vanity, but this one hydrates your skin for 72 hours. So for about 3 days, I would say. Love this. I've actually tried it. The L'Oreal Ever Pure Sulfate-Free Color Care System, and this is their shampoo. And we also have their conditioner. And this is their Rosemary Moisture Shampoo line. So great for dryness hair. Smells really good. We also have the Infallible Paints blush, and there is 4 colors, and they also add a cute little kabuki blush brush. And these are more coral and pink colors, which I'm obsessed with this color. Very pigmented. We also have the L'Oreal Infallible Lip Paints, and I've tried the formulation of these. These are really creamy and blendable. Not sticky at all, very opaque. And this one is 314. It's a pinkish color nude. And we also have a 302. This is more of a purple plum color. I'll show you what the Doleful applicator looks like. So this is what it looks like. Going on, we also have the Infallible Paints, and this one is in their Vivid Aqua color. It's more of a bold blue color. The L'Oreal, this is the Air Dry It Wave Swept Spray. Love these. This one is a heat-free style frizz resistant, and this one is a flexible hold. I want to see what this is, but I really love like hair sprays for these. Ah, it smells really good. Ooh, I like how it just kind of adds more definition in my waves. This is the Infallible Paints. And this one is their eyeshadow 318 nude fishnet, and this is more of a lighter nude, and then just like a basic nude color. Using these, you can actually use this as a highlighter, or even an eyeshadow or eyeshadow base. We also have a brochure on how to apply the Colorista paints. This is the Maybelline Master Camo kits, and it comes in a nice white box like this. I got some little cotton balls or cotton pads. These always go in handy. And then also the micellar water. This one is for sensitive skin. Love this to remove my makeup. You can also use this as a toner and a cleanser. And there's no alcohol or fragrance or dye in that. These Maybelline Master Camo kits, and these are the color correcting kits, and we have the large, dark, and medium. So I think this one is in this one's medium in 200. We have the deep, and then we also have the light. These are color correctors and concealers. These are just brochures. Oh, I actually do need this. I'm planning on using this for my wedding day, because I'm planning to do a beauty plan for my bridal party and for myself as well. And then here's just like a brochure of what's inside and instructions, and then also these brochures. So I'll be handing these out to my clients. The Honest brand by Jessica Alba. I met up with her team, and she actually gave me the Honest Beauty. This one is their Invisible Blurring Powder, and it's a cute little size. And I think she uses like cornstarch, very safe, cleaner ingredients for you. And I actually did like a little haul of her products. Actually, I did like a demo. So the Everything Primer, this one is their luminous base, and it came in this package. This one's awesome. Love this formulation. The Truly Lush Mascara and Lash Primer. And this one, I think it's in their blackest black color. I think someone was just outside my window. Product looks like this one. On one end, it's a duo. It's the mascara. This is what the bristles look like. And then you just open on the other side, and this would be the primer, and you can see the white fibers. I also received the Refreshingly Clean Gel Cleanser, and it comes in a very nice big package, and it comes in a pump, and it's like more of a matted gray packaging. I haven't tried this, but I heard it was good. I think someone did tell me that they really love it. The Honest Younger Face Deep Hydration Cream. And I've actually tried this too. I love the applicator. It's like a pump, and you can just feel the quality of her ingredients. They're very clean and really good ingredients, like really good quality ingredients. The Honest Magic Balm, and I've tried this as well. You can actually use this as a highlighter, also a primer, and like a chapstick. You can use it multi-purpose. This is great. A hydration. So this is what the product looks like. The Truly Kissable Lip Crayon, and this is on their bestseller called the Marcella Kiss. And this is more of a balm-like, kind of a little bit of a tint of color, and it's I would describe it more of a plummy color, like a plummy rosy color. Look at that chrome packaging, so beautiful. And this is what the color looks like. Love it. And yeah, I don't think she uses fragrance in her cosmetics, so that's why there's no scent to it. I received this really nice pen from her line. It's the Honest Beauty. I think this was just a gift. Obviously, she doesn't sell this, but it's a really nice pen. It's like goes on smooth. From the Vichy and La Roche line, I think this is just Vichy. La Roche Posay. It's a French brand. White bag with some silver wrapping. I received the La Roche Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser for normal to dry skin. Oh, this is beautiful. I love this brand so much. Oh, there's no scent really to it. No, it's fragrance free. This is more of like a makeup cleanser and makeup remover cleanser. And we also got the Lift Active Supreme. This one's their intensive anti-wrinkle and firming corrective care kits. And I've been gifting this a lot to my aunts. My mom really enjoys this too. The brochure, this one is a 2017. I love reading this. It's just really informational. It's informative, and it's just always awesome to like learn stuff. Look at this funny picture of that dog right there. How funny. And this goes with the Honest Beauty line. I also got the Spring 2017 line, and this is Jessica Alba in the center. She's so gorgeous. And then this is like all of her product information. On to the next. I have this really cute tote bag that I got. This booklet, which is great to take notes in. Really great to take notes in. Then in the bag, I got this little makeup bag. So cute. I love the minty color. That's the color I'm going to use for my wedding. As you open it, I got some gorgeous colors from Essie. So this is more of a coral color from Essie. All these colors are so gorgeous in here. This one is a high class affair. This one's more of like a nudish color. I have the gel satin slippers. I love this color. This one is a top coat from Essie. A really nice pen, and it has like glitter. You can actually like kind of move it and the glitter goes down. I don't know if you can see it. Look at that. Cool. This one is Closing Night, and this is more of a grayish blue color. An Essie nail filer. Let me show you that. This is pretty long too. At the Bear. This one's more of a kind of like a dusty nude color. The 162 Perfect Posture. This is the Essie's Slide Babe. The Lace Me Up. This is more of a pinkish, whitish nude. Hold the Position. This is more of a pinkish coral color. Tribal Textiles. This is more of a blackish with some, or actually this is more of a grayish with kind of glitter notes. And Off Tropical. Ooh, this is so gorgeous. This is like more of a tropical green color. That's gorgeous. I'm gonna use this. Love it. Look at that. That's gorgeous. More, but I received another one, and this one's just from, I think, Johnson & Johnson. The Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Yogurt Body Wash. This is the Vanilla and Oaks Wash. I love this scent too. Somewhat, that just smelled like In-N-Out. Oh my god. The Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Yogurt, and this is the Apricot and Honey Lotion, and this smells divine. The Deep Wrinkle from Retinol Rock. Actually, not from Retinol. This is from Rock. It's the Retinol Correction Night Cream. The Aveeno Positively Radiant 60-Second In-Shower Facial. I've been wanting to try this. The Hydra Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel. Oh, I want to try this. I heard this one was really good too. The Neutrogena Hydrating Face Makeup Wipes. I have very dry skin, so I've been wanting to try this out. Part of it. The Neutrogena Moisture Shine Lip Soother with Sunscreen, and this one is Shine 30. It's more of like a pinky bubblegum color. One is the Maybelline Essie, and I think the last one is Garnier. This is, oh yeah, I just said down here, the Garnier Micellar Makeup Removing Towelettes. Obsessed with the remover itself, so I'm excited to try out the white. Okay, the Garnier Fructis Style Pure Clean Styling Mousse, and I am so obsessed with mousse, especially with my hair being short. I love that kind of volumized at the body. The Garnier Fructis Moisture Lac Shampoo. Oh my god, they really kind of like spoiled us with so much products. And then we also have the conditioner. The Garnier Fructis Dry Shampoo. Oh my god, love dry shampoo. This is for, oh, let me just smell this. I'm gonna add it to my hair. Oh my god, it's not working. Okay, I'll just, let me see. Oh, that smells really good. Garnier Skin Active Moisture Balm of SPF 30. This one is their goji berry with hyaluronic acid. I love this. The Garnier Clearly Brighter. This is their Argan Nuts Gentle Exfoliating Cleanser. Cannot live without an every other day scrub. The Garnier Fructis 10-in-1 Rescue Leave-In Spray. Loving this as well. That's a great, like, when you come out of the shower or just like before you blow dry your hair. The Maybelline Master Blush. This one is in 10. The Color and Highlight Kit. More of a plummy, pinky, and peach with the highlight at the end. The 24 Karat. I was singing that song by Bruno Mars. The 24 Karat Nudes by Maybelline. I love these colors as well, just to create those very smoky eye looks. As you can see, I've been doing that. The Maybelline Brow Precise, and this is in medium. This is great as a highlighter underneath here. The Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. I've heard really great reviews on this and been wanting to try this out. The Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volume Eyebrow Gel. I heard this is amazing as well. It just creates that very natural, lush hairs. Oh, how cute! I love these pens. Look at that. This is from Garnier Fruity. I also got like 3 of their matte nudes. These are the colors I received. Ooh, that one's a really pretty one. This is more of a pinky nude. That one's 540 Peach Buff, the one I just showed you. This one is purely nude in 535. And then this one, ooh, that one's a very nudish color. And this one's 545 Beige Babe. Beige Babe. Oh, that one's so gorgeous. That's totally my nude color. And then just with a perfect like dark lip liner or just even the lipstick, and then put this in the center. The Garnier Fructis booklet. This is a cute little booklet to write notes and stuff. The Pixi, and I love the Pixi line. Their packaging, as you can see, is like more of, it just reminds me of wedding makeup. I got the Pixi by Petra Correction Concentrate, and this one's their Awakening Apricot Concealer. And this reminds me of the Benefit. It's like a cute little concealer, more of a full coverage, but very hydrating, and a corrector as well. The Pixi Glow Tonic Toner. I love this as well. 5 of their eyeliners. This one's so pretty just to use as like a smoky, smudgy look, and I've been using that. It's very effortless. So I got the, let's see, black color. This one is another black color. Let's see, slate gray, very pretty. Ooh, this one's great as an inner corner just to brighten it up. And this one's their brightening eye pencil. Their slate gray. This is another slate gray color. The Pixi by Petra Lash Booster Mascara. The Pixi by Petra Lip Lift Max. I love their lip products. Her lip products are awesome too. The Pixi Eye Define Waterline Marker Pen. And this one I've actually seen you can actually, oh yeah, it looks like this. And I don't think this was part of it, but I just kind of randomly picked these up. This one is the L'Oreal Total Infallible Foundation. I've been wanting to try this. This one's like a full coverage foundation. The Roche Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser, wanting to try that too. The Botanic Soothing Facial Oil Triple Age Renewal, and this one's from the Boots line. I'm obsessed with oils. The Beauty Counter Color Pinch Cream Blusher is so pretty and luxurious. Look at this packaging. Look how pretty that is. I think I'm gonna use this on my wedding day. And the cream blusher color, gorgeous. And then last but not least, these are some items I picked up myself. The Cantu Shea Butter Grow Strong Strengthening Treatment. I actually asked these products. Like, I love this one. Is the Garnier Balancing Daily Exfoliator, great for oily T-zones. The for combination skin. The L'Oreal Infallible Paints lipstick in color 322 Orange Envy. The Aveeno Eczema Therapy Hand Cream, and this one is in just like a regular oatmeal hand cream. Oh, I love oats. The Jergens Oil Infused Moisturizer Coconuts. Oh, okay, body lotion. I have to smell this for you guys. I love coconuts, and my family is like a very huge fan of Jergens too. So, smells so good. All right, so thanks so much, you guys, for making it to the very end of this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big giant thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Zero Effort Beauty for more videos. I upload weekly, and we will see you next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.